Illinois, and northerly island Illinois, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Green, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in northeastern Illinois, southern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until midnight. At 11:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Boulder Hill to near Seneca, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Plainfield around 11:15 p.m. Romeoville around 11:20 p.m. Bolingbrook, Woodridge, and Lamont around 11:25 p.m. Braidwood, Coal City, Willow Springs, and Diamond around 11:30 p.m. Palos Hills, Wilmington, Bridgeview, Chicago Ridge, Hickory Hills, Palos Heights, Worth, and Lakewood Shores around 11:35 p.m. Oak Lawn, Burbank, and Ashburn around 11:40 p.m. Englewood, Roseland, Auburn, Gresham, Evergreen Park, and Manhattan around 11:45 p.m. South Shore, Chatham, and South Deering around 11:50 p.m. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe